first day here in Bali and ang lakas ng ulan. Tignan niyo yung payong ko. So pretty. Baha. We have to find a cafe kasi we have to work. Well, not me. Siya. Ako, papaganda na.
Yan, pandito. Sanay na sanay!
Nagpapaganda lang. Ayan, puro work. So sad. So tumigil na yung ulan. We're gonna go to our appointment na that we were gonna cancel dapat kasi lakas ng ulan kanina pero nag-guilty rin kami. So puntahan na namin. Yay! Exciting. I think. Let's see. Tama na yan. Tama na yan. Work pa din siya.
Dito ka bibili sa kabila. Nakakapit siya.
Ganda. Ginabi na kami. So pretty.
It's cute. Uy, ang ganda ng araw.
Good morning. So wakas may araw na rin at kami ay kakain na ng breakfast na masarap. It's so sunny. Pero hindi ko muna babatiin. Sakto lang. Oh my God, palakas na ng palakas. Binabagyo na naman kami. So ayan, kakasabi ko lang ng ganda-ganda ng weather. Biglang umulan. Umulan na naman. Nakakaloka na. This is mozzarella something, no? Tapos ito is mushroom soup.
Munggo.
Munggo soup. Kitty! Wow!
for purification and after that they go into the temple, yeah. Walk around the temple and ceremony and to pray.
Yes, no
So why you now together?
Do you feel purified?
Yes, like the purified water.
Wow, that's so purified. Lamig. So how would you rate your experience at your Taempo purification ceremony with the holy water and the fishes and the water and the ice cold?
It's fun.
Love that! It was so fun, pero oh my god, may isda. May isda sa tubig at natadyakan ko yung isa. So, hindi ko alam kung merong ano yun. Baka parusahan na lang ako. Ang daming isda, takot ako sa isda. Ayoko na isda. No. Lalo na pag nasa dagat. Ayaw. Walang ulan today, so we're gonna try to ride the bike. Wish us luck, oh my god! Nakabahan ako, like this oh. Queen vibes! So nakababa na kami, and kung kailan nakababa kami, and walking na, wala nang ulan. So I guess, pinaparusahan ng bading. My God. Oh my God, may scarecrow! So, dead end pa rin napuntahan namin. Wala kami magagawa doon, baka ma-salvage kami. So, balik na lang kami sa highway. Look for lunch and hopefully not die. Let's see. Same thoughts. Ayoko na. Ayoko na mag-bike. Kada sasakay ng bike, babagyo. Tapos pagbaba namin, titigil. Like, girl, my God.
My God.